One of the most important components in any addition or home, particularly if you're in a hurricane-prone area, the windows and doors. There's a lot of glass along here, and it has to be strong.
And if weight is any measure of strength, then we're in good shape, because when the windows and doors arrive, it becomes obvious that just getting them off the truck is a challenge in itself. These windows were chosen specifically for this project, so we asked the window rep what was involved in that decision.
We had to take into consideration where the house was located and its proximity to the water and its location in a hurricane-prone area. Glass was probably one of the most important considerations. And they had other options such as shutters or plywood, but with the use of JELD-WEN's Impact Guard impact glass, there's no need for an exterior shutter or plywood in the event of a hurricane. JELD-WEN's Impact Guard impact glass offers maximum protection against airborne debris and also excessive wind loads that are typically generated from a hurricane. Impact glass is made with two pieces of glass with an inner layer that's laminated in between, which gives the glass its strength. And that inner layer is what really protects the window against airborne debris. The inner layer is actually a plastic type material. The inner layer that JELD-WEN uses is 10 times stronger than what's used in the industry. These windows have been tested to Dade County protocol, which require the windows to pass a missile test where a 2x4 is shot through a cannon. JELD-WEN's Impact Guard actually protects the home from airborne debris, which could actually penetrate the envelope of the home and literally blow the roof off.